This video is going to show you how I actually use the app Upside to earn cash back every single time I go to the gas station and put gas in my car. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the Upside app. It's going to open up. It takes a couple of seconds to open up. Just trying to find everything. So you can see up at the top right where I've earned $65.62 so far. But I'm going to find a gas station, Shell and Circle K, that gives 12 cents back per gallon. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on it, and I'm going to claim this offer. When I claim it, it gives me directions. Do I got it? I'll go ahead and open up the directions so then you can see me actually finding them. So I'm going to get y'all back as soon as I get back to the gas station. I am arriving to the gas station as regular as I do. So here's how it goes, guys. I'm going to go ahead and use my card. I'm going to put my card in just as regular, guys, okay? Just as regular. Alright. Doesn't matter what you do, you just do it the regular way. Watch what happens. I'm just going to pay it so you guys can actually see that I'm paying it. I'm doing it all. Approved. It's always valid around here. Alright. Opening. Premium. Did it. Premium. There we go. Catch y'all back when it's done. Alright, so we're back. It's beeping. I put this in, okay, guys? Yes, yes. And yes, I do want a receipt. Yes, I do want a receipt. Always get your receipts. Alright, now you're going to reopen the Upside app, and then once you reopen it, it takes a second, remember. But let's go ahead and skip through. Once you reopen it, it's going to automatically open to the last claim offer. You're going to hit check in after you've done all those steps, and then you'll tell the app which card you used. From there, it's taken care of. You don't need to do anything else. Now I'll show you some other little key features and benefits that the app does have. So they do have a referral system. Well, pretty much the well, I'll show you. That's what I did last time. But I'm going to get to the referral system. So now using my code, every single time that you buy gas, I get 1 cent. Every single time that you get it, you'll have a your first time will be a 15 cent increase. So that's it, y'all. Peace. Thank you.